Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to show you the output of localization and 3D reconstruction of monocular endoscopic video using depth networks and photometric constraints using Python. Let's start. In this video, I am going to use the Git repo, endo, depth and motion. Localization and reconstruction is created using depth networks and photometric constraints. Photometric tracking is a technique used in computer vision to estimate the motion of a camera or object in a scene by analyzing changes in the intensity of a pixel in an image sequence. It relies on the assumption that the appearance or intensity of surface remain constant as they move across the image plane, that allowing the estimation of motion parameters by minimizing the difference between corresponding pixel intensities across frames. After creating the Conda environment and installing the packages, you can run the code. After running the tracking code, you can see the output of photometric tracking on Hamlin dataset video 1. This is the output of volumetric fusion. You can see the 3D reconstruction of Hamlin dataset video 1. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.